Hi everyone, this is Shiny, Assistant Professor, Emmanuel Arasa College of Pharmacy. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about common laboratory animals. Laboratory animals are defined as animals which are used for experimental and diagnosis purpose. Animal experiment should be designed and performed on the basis of relevance to human or animal health. They can be very well used for carrying out various biological experiments and research in biomedical as well as veterinary and animal sciences. Experimentation should be conducted only under the close supervision of qualified and experienced person. It is a developing alternative in vitro systems to replace, reduce and refine the use of animals in experiments. Next, role of common laboratory animals in various fields. The first animal is mice. White albino mice or Swiss trained are most widely used laboratory animals. They are small in size, example 25 to 30 gram, and hence easy to maintain and handle. They are cheap and can be bred uniformly. And coming to the uses of mice, it is used for toxicological purpose, microbiological and vaccine assay, screening of analgesic, chemotherapeutic agents, and testing the insulin teratogenicity and studying the cancer tissues, especially toxicology of various drugs. About 80% of experiments are done on rodents. In that, about 70% of experiments are done on mice. The next is rat. White albino rat is one of the commonest laboratory animal suitable for experimental pharmacology. The rat being small in size, approximately 200 gram, and easy to handle and easy to maintain. They resemble man in several organ function and nutrition. Some peculiarities of rats are rat is omnivorous and thus resembles man nutritionally. It has absence of vomiting center, hence cannot be used to screen emetics and antiemetics, and lack of tonsil and gallbladder. It has extremely diffusive pancreas and pancreectomy is often difficult to perform to induce diabetes. The stomach of rat is clearly divided by transverse ridge into non-secretory upper part and glandular lower part. So it can be used for anti-ulcer studies. The 24-hour-old rat is similar to 6-month-old infant, and it is used for evaluating compounds supposed to be administered in infant in the age of 6 months. Use of rats in experimental pharmacology is it can be used for the study of drugs affecting blood pressure, hepatoprotective drugs. It is a good model for the testing psychopharmacological agents because it can be trained properly. It can be used for acute and chronic toxicity studies, insulin research, diabetes, and various toxicological tests. The isolated tissues of rats are used for bioassays. Next one is guinea pig. Guinea pigs are one of the most useful experimental animal. They are like other rodents, easy to keep in captivity, easy to raise and maintain, but differ by being very docile. Guinea pig is used for microbiological studies, allergic and anaphylactic shock, and preparation of antisera. Guinea pigs are used in lab for diagnosis of tuberculosis because lesions of tuberculosis are prominent in guinea pig. Next, hamster. These are the animals used for cancer tissue testing, parasitological and virological research. The next one is rabbit. Domestic rabbits are generally docile and are used for variety of studies. The most interesting finding in rabbit is the presence of the enzyme atropine esterase, which greatly shorten the pharmacological response to atropine. The rabbit has got a huge cecum. The rabbit does not appear to possess vasodilated nerves, hence no vasomotor reversal phenomenon is demonstrable. The uterus of the rabbit is stimulated by adrenaline. The rabbit is used for pyrogen testing, insulin potency testing, immunological research, reproductive studies, and virological research. Some importance of laboratory animals. Laboratory animals are used in basic biological research, disease diagnosis, immunology, virology, and applied medicine and demonstration. It has pretty role in the pharmacology, toxicology, physiology, experimental surgery, diagnosis, pregnancy testing, bacteriology, pathology, bioassay of vaccines, drugs and infused fluids, preparation of immune sera. Thank you.